In association with the previous video that I have shared, after logging into the system, what we are supposed to do is just go to the course which we are intended to work with. For me, let us say I need to go to a particular course for modeling and simulation. Once when I will try to click on the course, I will see a blank course format as it is available in front of the screen. To enable uploading of files and any other information, or to do any specific type of working inside the system, I have to go to this circle which is called the Actions menu and click on to get the menu on down. After clicking on Turn the Editings on, I will be able to see some more options that will appear near my system here. So in case, say for example, it's gonna be my first introductory lecture, I just need to do the introduction lecture because the name of the topic, student will be able to see what I have over here. If in case I need to have multiple topics, in advance I can tell the students about these topics about the subject of modeling and simulation. You can do the same for your system also and your course, that you can try to predict online the topics that you will be covering in the entire series of your lecture sessions. After you have done this particular thing, all you have to do is you can click on towards Add an Activity button or the resources. Once you will click on this, you will see a series of various activities and that can be performed inside the system without any problems. Say for example, in this video I'm trying to tell you how you can upload your PowerPoint file, or you can upload your document file or a PDF file. All you have to do is, amongst all the things, you will see the resources and you will be able to find out a section called as a file. So you just try to click on File and go to add a particular file. At this stage, you will be receiving one new screen in which the name of the file is requested. So you can just mention the introduction file, and you can go ahead by writing the basic of the introduction of the file. In case if you want to mention any specific comments to the students, you can mention over here. Say for example, I want to write down first lecture on the basic introduction of the subject. If you will check this option, you will be able to see this particular display on the course main page. So now just try to click on, and the uploader is trying to ask you from where you want to put the file. All you have to do is just give the correct path of the file. Let's say for me is the teaching in January simulation and modeling course, the practical, and I want to upload algebraic equations. So I will just click open and try to upload this file. Once I have uploaded the file, I will be getting this screen and I can click on Save and Return to the course. After I return to the course, you will be able to see that the file that I have uploaded along with the introduction is available and visible. If you will just click on the circle at the right corner and you will click Turn Editing Off, then you can furthermore cannot edit these things and your file is available here. The similar kind of dashboard student will be able to see without the option of editing in the corner here. Once you will upload your lecture session or your lecture file, the student will be able to see it, visualize it, download it, and use it for his further references. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.